Hello friends, hope you all are keeping well. Today we'll see how to use masking fluid for watercolor painting. I am Torit Mato and you are watching Art and Purulia. In watercolor painting, you do not use white paint to show white. You just keep the white paper unpainted in those places. But when you do washes, it's very difficult to preserve white spots, especially very tiny ones. To make this easier, masking fluid works like wonders. So what is this masking fluid? It's a rubber solution that you paint with on areas you want to keep white before you start applying colors. Let's see painting of a flower where masking fluid was used to preserve the white areas. You can apply the fluid using a normal brush or even a toothpick for small dots or lines. However, do not use a very good brush because it has the potential to damage the brush. In any case, applying a bit of soap on the brush prevents the rubber solution to get badly stuck to the brush. After applying the fluid, you need to wait till it dries before you apply colors over it. When done, you can just peel it off and the white paper will be exposed. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Keep safe, keep healthy, and keep painting. See you.